Alright, good morning guys. Sorry, I don't really have much time this morning. I have to go to Shinjuku with Gaku and talk about cameras and coffee a little bit. But before we get into it, if you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name is P Skates. I'm a full-time content creator slash freelance videographer who also happens to love good clothes, good food, and good coffee, because with those, our life is much better. Anyways, I bought a new camera, which is Fujifilm X-T33. This is a new small APS-C camera from Fujifilm, and I want to test that out. And also, I wanted to cliff farm in Shinjuku to get more of a Tokyo footage that I can maybe sometime use in my videos. Anyways, I have to go to Shinjuku real quick. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace. Bro, we literally only have one type of movement, so that's crazy.
Oh, are you Gaku Lang, bro?
I'm just trying to vlog.
Oh, whoa.
I'm just trying to vlog.
Whoa, what is that?
I'm just trying to vlog.
Dude, it's so nice. So many
Icho.
That's crazy. Crazy how you understand how quiet Tokyo is once you're in Shinjuku. Shinjuku is like the craziest city in the entire Japan.
But then at 8 a.m.
8 a.m. is like the quietest place ever.
Quiet clip farming paradise.
We haven't been to Shinjuku for a long time. Me and Gaku used to do this all the time. We used to go out and film just as many clips as possible. For a couple of years straight, I'll say, like pretty frequently.
We burned ourselves out.
We did.
Burn ourselves out.
Big
But
time.
we're back.
We're back. Yeah, so yesterday Gaku was like, oh, you want to go shoot out in the morning in Shinjuku? I was like, I don't know, man. I was like 6 a.m. But I kind of told myself that, peace, you you know? You used to love this, you know. Now we're being too comfortable. So I was like, I bet. I bet. That is so true. So decided to come, and I have zero regrets. Also, I just bought myself a new camera. I don't really buy a new camera, but I got the Fujifilm X-T33, which is pretty small. You can shoot 6.2K open gate, so I want to test this camera out, not really as a video camera, but as a photo camera for, you know, just for hobby. Hopefully I can get some fire coffee after this. FX3 is not a vlogging camera at all. It's too heavy. But since I'm in Shinjuku, Gaku has to go to meeting at 10. It's 9:18 right now. I might get some coffee after this, because Shinjuku do have a couple cool cafes around the spot. Also, check out this vending machine.
Sheesh.
Roski-kun. Is the FX3 too heavy to vlog? Or I just got weak?
You're not lifting enough.
Yeah, bro. I don't think it's not lifting. I'm just not picking up cameras more, man. Vibey ad town. It used to. In the morning, at least. At night, I don't even want to be in Shinjuku. I also step on a puke, but you know.
the ghetto boys.
Yeah, the ghetto boys.
Ghetto.
Ghetto.
Roll the R.
Ghetto boys. Yeah, it's not.
Ghetto boys.
Yeah.
You know what a professional content creator is, though?
What's up? Shooting the BTS. Fire. Fire. Hanazono Jinja. Man, I used to come to this shrine to try out my A7 III with my friends, just taking photos and videos and stuff.
OG.
Damn. And I believe that was like 5 years ago, bro. Damn, I'm feeling old right now. Noise, mate. Noise, mate.
Sometimes you need a wide variety of lenses. 16.
I like how you're just like carrying the MC for me for my vlog. Thank you so much, bro.
I feel like 50 is a little too tight. 35 is not bad.
35?
But I do need, I don't like shooting on the tent to vlog because it's a little too shaky, a little too warpy.
Yeah.
16's nice though.
16 is nice. This is such a useful lens, the 16.
For the size too.
Yeah, the size is amazing too. We love Shinjuku. In the morning, still smells like shit. Heading to one of my favorite cafes in, I won't say Tokyo, but in Shinjuku, because the selection of the coffee, the tasting experience of the coffee, and the choosing the coffee and beans that you drinking is so much better at this cafe that I want to show you guys today. I don't usually do a lot of cafe reviews, but when I do go all in. It's about 7-minute walk, 350 meters. Yeah, now Shinjuku is getting pretty loud, to be honest. But yeah, let me show you guys this place real quick. It's underground. They have 2 locations, but there's one that I always go, so let's go.
Why does it smell like bananas?
So the name of the process is called Moscot. Also, I just bought a coffee beans at the cafe that I just went covered. I didn't know, it's from Glitch Coffee.
Another name?
Yeah, okay. They use a process called a Moscot. I don't know how it works, but he explained that basically they put the beans before they roast it into like banana infused some sort of like water or juice or I don't know. I didn't.
That's great, bro.
Yeah.
It smells like banana.
It smells delicious, and it was delicious. It's like banana.
Oh, you got that one?
Yeah, I got this one. It was banana, black tea, a little bit of like chocolate in the back. It was really good. So I was like, gotta pull the trigger.
Oh shit!
So cool, bro. Okay, it's been a couple days since the shoot. I was filming another vlog with Tatsuki.
Yep.
I've been using the Fujifilm X-T33, not 33, but 30-3. Such a good camera. It's not flashy as like Leica or like some other point and shoot-ish mirrorless, detachable, interchangeable lenses camera. It's good. It's not as pocketable as Ricoh GR, but also you can shoot, 6.2K open gate, and you can change the lens, which is the reason why I got this, not the Ricoh, because I wanted to use like older lenses and stuff.
Yeah, it's nice that you can like interchangeable lens, small body. You said it's not pocketable, but like, I don't know, it's pretty small. And
yeah. I mean, if you try, you can.
Yeah.
And if you have like
big pocket. It's also like fashion piece because it's like an aesthetically good looking camera. Like the Fujifilm cameras, all fire, dude.
Yeah, aesthetically
so
super cool.
I mean, I shoot with the Ricoh sometimes too, but
yeah,
I think having a mechanical shutter makes each photo feel more like real.
Yeah, it's like a proper.
Like it feels good.
Yeah,
actually shoot the picture.
I'm just still not used to the interface at all yet.
Yeah, have you had a Fuji system?
No, it's my
before?
first,
like digital,
other than
right?
film, digital, my first Fujifilm camera. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
As of the user experience, I have I forgot which one this is. I got the 27mm f2.8, which will be like 35, 40 in full frame. I like it a little bit wider. However, for a size, it's a pancake lens.
Yeah,
so
I think that makes it a nice camera to use.
Yeah.
If you had something that stuck out a little bit more, the camera would feel a little bit too big.
Yeah.
This makes it feel like not as serious, and like 40 is nice because you can just take day-to-day life snaps of like, I don't know, like
coffee.
Coffee. I don't know, the light here, like your book or the shelves or whatever it is. It's kind of just like chill. Like a bit of an upgrade to like an iPhone. I wouldn't say it's like an upgrade. It's just a different experience.
Yeah.
So cool.
I don't want to be too technical about this camera, but it does have sensor from X100V focusing sense, like the AI chip. The CPU is the newest one. So apparently the autofocus should be better. But by using this camera, just for like a very casual opinion, this made me appreciate Sony camera way more.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You were saying, hey.
Sony's autofocus is fucking insane.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. This, it's okay. It's okay, but it's Not even close. It's dope. A lot of mechanical stuff around it. Yeah, you know.
Would you recommend it to like lifestyle cameras?
Bro, if you just want to film video with iPhone and take a photo with this, go for it, bro.
That's so cool.
Go for it. It's like such a good camera, bro, to be honest. I feel like I'm talking a lot of shit, but it is a solid camera. Also,
yeah, flash. Flash is such a clutch move.
Yeah,
it's
such
also
a clutch.
so strong, even though it looks tiny.
Yeah. Sorry for a little prep talk. Just like the sun is like beaming in my eyes and stuff, so it's not like healthy time to shoot. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Tusky.
See you later, guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you guys like my channel's vibe,
yes,
please hit the sub button.
Do it.
I hope you guys have an amazing day. My name is Peace Case. You guys are now. Peace out, guys.
Yeah,
buddy. Thank you, bro.